Hey Beauty Glam sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam sisters. Welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. So today we're going to do a DIY primer water. So if you'd like to see how I make this primer water, go ahead and stay tuned and watch the video. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big like, share this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. All you're going to need for this DIY primer water is witch hazel, glycerin for skincare, distilled water, a spray bottle, and optional is a tree tea oil. It's for acne prone skin and has so many benefits for this. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, so the witch hazel that I'm gonna get is the Cleanse, Smooth, and Treat for face and body. It's gentle relief for oily, irritated, red, damaged, blemished, or inflamed skin. And that's this one. I got this one at Walmart for $3.64. That's how it looks. I'll link the items below so you can find them easily. And this one's the glycerin. It's for skincare. It says skincare right there, so make sure you grab the one that says skincare, not the one for food dye. Okay? And this one, and the glycerin, I got the glycerin for $3.88 at Walmart as well. I also got the tree tea oil at Walmart. It cost me $6.88 for it. And it's this one that says for skin health. Okay? Alright, so here we go. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to grab the witch hazel and we're going to do 5 tablespoons. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're going to grab our glycerin and we're going to do 3 tablespoons of this. Alright, there's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. Alright, so now that it looks like this, we're gonna stir it until it mixes in, until it turns into like water. You see how it turned into still clear water? Okay, so now we're gonna add our distilled water. We're gonna add 7 tablespoons of it, okay? There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when it looks like water, crystal clear water, we're also gonna add 3 drops of the tree tea oil. Oh, that was 4, but 3. Stir that. We're gonna put it in our Sally Salon Care. I got this at Sally's. It cost me $7.29. $7.29 at Sally's, okay? Twist this open. grab our little funnel. Okay, now we're gonna pour it in our container right here and pour it in there. Put the lid on there. Oh, that's very a lot. Okay, Beauty Glam sisters. This is gonna be the moment of truth. We're gonna test out this new primer water. Half of my face, I'm gonna cover half of my face with the sheet or with these sweatpants and spray half of my face with this primer water and the rest plain by itself. Let's see the difference. Ready? Here we go. Whew. That was a lot. Alright, so I'm gonna use this to set it in. I'm also going to use this beauty blender to put the foundation on this side, half and half. Alright, so we're going to go in with my Milani 2-in-1. I'm going to use my Morphe for this side. So 2 pumps is good enough. We're going to let this side dry real quick. We're going to start off with this one. Boy, that's a little light, but it's okay. Alright, now we're going to go in with the beauty blender on the other side. Alrighty, so my final thoughts on my DIY created. This side went on really smooth, and this one kind of streaky, because you know how you pounce, but this one's like, there's no tackiness to the primer, because I don't feel nothing. But yeah, and you can tell this side went softer than this side. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big like, share this video, and continue being a Beauty Glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you, Beauty Glam sisters. Till next time, Beauty Glam sisters, bye!